So welcome back students. So today's videos, we'll discuss the remaining part of this chapter, and we are very close of this chapter. So see, we have on table 3.1 in page number 29 the structure of cell organelles. Here are some cell organelles are present, which are being already we have explained in the last videos. And mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. So these are the things. So these are called the cell organelles. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, isn't it? And the structure is small rod shaped organelles and surrounded by double membrane, and the inner membrane is enfolded into finger like structures. So this is the structures of the mitochondria. Now coming to the point, it is endoplasmic reticulum. In case of endoplasmic reticulum, or you can say that in short is called the ER. So it is basically a network or membrane and tube like the structures. So these are the tube. See student, so these are the tube like structures, and this is a tube like structures, and the outer surface of the membrane is either smooth or rough. Okay, and presence of ribosome makes it rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the absence of the ribosomes make it smooth endoplasmic reticulum, isn't it? So endoplasmic reticulum, so this is the diagram of the endoplasmic reticulum. Suppose that this type of questions may come in your exam. So what is the what is present in endoplasmic reticulum? So that time you have to write the ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes is present. Outer surface of the membrane is either smooth or rough. By the presence of these ribosomes, so makes it rough endoplasmic reticulum, and absence of the ribosomes make it smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now coming to the point, that is your Golgi bodies or Golgi complex. Golgi complex and the Golgi bodies is the same thing. So Golgi complex, now coming to the point, that is the structure point or structure part of this Golgi complex. It consists of stacks or thin or flat membranes. So this is the basically the and flat membrane structures, and consist of stack or thin flat membranes, and is absent of RBC and the SPOMS. So these are the basically your Golgi bodies. Okay, and this is called the cisternae. Cisternae, that is a consist of stacks or flat membranes called this cisternae. Okay, stack like structures, and some and small vesicles. Okay, vessels. So these are the Golgi complex or the Golgi bodies or the structures of the Golgi bodies. Now coming to the point that is very important, lysosome. So these are the lysosome structures. It another name, that is your suicide bag. Okay, so present in the animal cell, and cell organelles the lack of lysosomes, and the smaller and the spherical shapes, spherical bodies which contains the enzyme and are basically the capable of various cell material. And fifth, that is your centrosome present in the animal cells, a small structures located near the nucleus. And chloroplast already we have discussed, and one part is there, grana part is also there. So these things you will learn in higher classes, but some point is also there. The present only in the plant cells, contain means plastid is present in the plant cell, and it contains the green pigment called the chlorophyll. As a result, we are know from the photosynthesis part, the chlorophyll is much more important thing. In the absence of this chlorophyll, the photosynthesis is not carry forward. So the chlorophyll is the very important thing, and this contains the green pigment. This chloroplast contain the green pigments is chlorophyll. Okay, and a large oval structures, and it shows the two regions round ground substances called stroma, and in which the flat membrane like structures called the grana. So this is the diagram from where you have learned these things. So this is your grana, and this is your stroma. Okay, In higher classes you learn these things very easily. For just you have things, what is grana and what is stroma. Okay, so now coming to the point, that is your ribosomes. Ribosomes, that is is a membraneless tiny granules and may occur in free in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes, and another is lysosomes. So in ribosomes is present where? Ribosomes is present is endoplasmic reticulum. Sometimes it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and sometimes a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Absence of and presence of, okay, presence of endoplasmic reticulum, what is called smooth or is called means rough. The presence of ribosomes makes it rough endoplasmic reticulum, and absence of the ribosome makes it smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Vacuoles are already you have discussed. Some of the gist part, that is the, actually we have discussed these things the earlier one, but some of the point is given for your betterment. Okay, so vacuoles is larger in plant cell, and while absent in very small in animal cells also there, but in very few. But in case of plant cell, there is present in the large amount of the vacuoles. Okay, and some of the cell organism functions also given in your book: mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, centrosome, ribosomes, and the vacuoles. Basically, the mitochondria perform the function of the respiration's purpose, or you can say that they provide the cell with the energy. And earlier we have said these things, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Whatever the food we have taken, and after the breakdown of this starch into the simplest substance like glucose, and this glucose has been oxidized by the oxygen, and by the process of the oxidations, we have process of the oxidations, lot of energy has been produced, and that energy will be used for our working activity, and some of the energies are being stored in the mitochondria in the form of the ATP, that is your adenosine triphosphate, and the amount of the rest of the energies is being liberated. Okay, so this is the mitochondria, whereas the cell storehouse. Endoplasmic reticulum being a network or membranes, and it provides the large surface area for life functions to take place and give support to the cell, or means that this cell organ is basically support to the or associate to the main member of the cells. And the chloroplast contain the green pigments, and these green pigments the chlorophyll, and help in the food manufacturing, or you can say that the simply the photosynthesis process. Okay, and the fourth thing, that is your Golgi bodies, and collects and distribute the substances made in the cell for the for example protein and synthesis of secretions of many materials. Mean in case of protein synthesis, or you can say that the distributions of the substances, or means suppose that many other things is required our cell, because we need some foods and cell needed some foods also and other things also. So this Golgi complex of the Golgi bodies and provided these things into throughout the cell. Okay, and now coming to the point, that is your lysosomes. And lysosomes is also called the suicide bag. The why it is called suicide bag? Contain the enzyme which help in breaking down the destroying the various material. That's why it is called the suicide bag. Means it helps, which helps in breaking down or destroying the various kind of material. That's why it is called the suicide bag. And centrosome is also present, concert in with the cell divisions, and also the ribosomes also present, site of protein synthesis, and vacuoles also present, contain the cell sap and keep the cell rigid, or you can say that they provide, or you can say that the it provide the strength of the cell also, and contain the cell shafts, keep the cell rigid. Okay, means strength one kind of. Ribosomes the mainly used for the protein synthesis, and centrosome is for responsible for the cell divisions, and lysosomes actually help the breakdown of the destroying the various kind of materials. Okay, so lysosome, centrosome, ribosome, that in ribosome in protein synthesis purpose is very used. So this is the short things, you have to learn these things properly throughout from your books, and as well as the understanding part from those videos. And I think this really help you, this table 3.2, whatever the table is given in your book, table 3.2, and that is much more important in future. Is also these things is very much needed for you people, okay, for your competitive examinations. And the cell, basically, that is the three part, that is the major three categories, that is your cell membrane, cytoplasms, and the nucleus, okay. And the common features, that is the plant and animal cell. But before going that, we have to discuss the difference part and difference between the animal and the plant cells. Basically, the in case of animal cell is cell wall is lacking. In case of plant cell is rigid cell wall is present. In case of animal cells, chloroplast is absent, or in case of plant cell, that is the chloroplast is absent. Before that, we have discussed about the chloroplast or pigment, what is the responsible for the photosynthesis purpose, and that particular the chloroplast is present in case of the plant cell, but it is absolutely absent in case of animal cell. And as well as the animal cell present the cell wall. Basically, the cell wall is provide the extra strength to the plant, but in case of, unfortunately, it is absent in case of animal cell, because in case of animal cell only the one membrane is present, that is your cell membrane, and there is no other cell is membrane is present. So in case of plant cell, this cell membrane basically act as a semi permeable membrane, and it provide, or you can say that it allows the certain things enter into this cell, okay. So that's why it is called the semi permeable membrane. Or you can say that the selective permeable membrane, or means it allows the only the certain things. So that's why it is called the selective permeable membrane. In case of animal cell, the vacuoles are the absent, and if present, they are the smaller in size and more in the number. In case of plant cell, the vacuoles are larger in size and lesser in the number. So these are the basic differences between the animal cell and the plant cells. If you learn these things from previous ones, so you will understood the whole things, that is your animal cell and the plant cells. And some of the common features are also shared by the plant and the animal cells, like say these are the very important common features that is shared by the plant and the animal cells. Like the plasma membrane is present in both the cases, means animal cell and the plant cell, but unfortunately the cell wall is present in case of only plant cell. There is no present in animal cell, there is only the plasma membrane. So remember, in case of some common features, so these are the points is much more important for writing these things, okay. So this plasma membrane is present in the both, nucleus is present in the both, mitochondria is present in the both, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, rhizosome, sometimes vacuoles also present, but not in a larger amount, but is smaller amount, but is present, okay. So these are the things, means plasma membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, or endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, rhizosome, because animal needed the protein synthesis and cell restoration purpose. So ribosomes is needed for the protein synthesis, that is very important. And the lysosome, that is it acts as a suicide bag, it break down the destroying the various kind of materials. So that is the lysosome, that is much more important in case of plant and the animal cell. And both KK cells, both the cells, this organisms are present, as well as the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies is the same purpose, and it collects and distributes the substance made over the throughout the whole cell, because we needed some food and cell also needed some food, and these things in Golgi bodies spread up the whole things throughout the whole cell. So Golgi body is much more important also. So these are the common features shared by the plant and the animals. And up to this, I think your chapter also finish. And my suggestions is you go through these videos, as well as you learn properly from the books. If any kind of doubt, please contact with me. After the completion of this video, we'll provide the exercise part also, okay. Thank you.